Step 1. Download JDK Development Kit. Go to https://www.oracle.com/java/technologies/download/question mark or =$2218886#sign JDK22-Windows. Step 2. Click Windows and then select x64 installer. Download to download file. Step 3. Once file is done download, click Open File to complete the install. Step 4. Click Next on the installation to start install. Step 5. Click Close. Step 6. Edit the system environment variables. Step 7. Click Environment Variables. Step 8. Look for Java_home under System Variables and select Java_home. Step 9. Click New. Type variable name Java_home. Step 9. Click New. Type variable name Java_home. Step 10. Open File Explorer. Go to Local Drive and open Programs folder. Open Java folder and copy path for JDK22. Step 11. Return to System Variables. Paste path in variable value. Then hit OK. Step 12. Click Config. Step 13. Select tomcat-users.xml. Step 14. Update username and password for user tag. Step 15. Start Tomcat. Step 16. Click Manage App. Step 17. Enter username and password for localhost. Congrats, Tomcat is set up.